In terms of the students who are coming into the program and studying a Bachelor of Education, you can choose 3 areas of specialisation: early childhood, primary and secondary. All of our early childhood and primary pre-service teachers are required to study science education, because you would know that when you're an early childhood or a primary teacher, you're teaching all areas of the curriculum, whereas our secondary students are able to specialise in science as one of their 2 teaching areas. As part of our BEd program, we've got early childhood online students who are studying externally, and so we are placing students on their professional experience placement interstate within Australia and abroad. Like, we have pre-service teachers currently working in Indonesia, for example, and in Europe. So some of them will be looking to get jobs back in Australia, while some will be staying overseas and working there. We've got the latest teaching and learning spaces that are enabled with brand new technology, and we encourage students to bring iPads and iPhones and link in with the technology that we use in our teaching. So it is very different, and it's very interactive and student-centred. There very much is a strong sense of community here now, that there are brand new teaching and learning spaces that students like to come and hang out in. We have our own lounge here in the School of Education building where students hang out and make use of the resources here. They've got food facilities and so forth, so it is a really nice place to hang out and I guess create that sense of community in between the study as well. We do have an early childhood online program which is external, and some local students do choose to study externally so they can fit the external study around their life and work commitments. But because of where we're situated here in Townsville, students come from north and south. Some of them travel on a daily basis to come to university, as well as studying online, as I've mentioned. And of course, we've got our RITEP program for our community-based Indigenous students who are studying as well. Within the School of Education at JCU, rural and remote education is an important focus of our work. So within the Bachelor of Education, we do require that our pre-service teachers undertake some of their placement in rural and remote schools, with the view that those are going to be the beginning teachers that are servicing our local community. So we do try to ensure that they get some of the experiences, engage with the communities that they're going to be teaching, and notch some experience up on their belts, I suppose, to better position them to work within those communities when they graduate.